Hey guys, it's Karen Mara. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you should start a YouTube channel in 2019, my top 5 reasons. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the top 5 reasons why I think you should start a YouTube channel in 2019. The first one is it's free. There's a lot of paid marketing out there, but to me, I think there's no more effective method than YouTube marketing. And a lot of people come to me and say, Karen, how are you getting the kind of results that you're getting? And I tell them probably 90% of my sales come from free YouTube marketing because it is so effective. The second reason is it helps you to build a personal brand. There's no better way, I don't think, than people to get to know you, what you're all about, than to see you on video. The third reason is you can get discovered. YouTube is the second largest search engine. So a lot of people go to YouTube and search whatever it is that they're trying to learn, and there you are at the top of the search engine, and they watch your video, and it's just a great way for people to discover who you are. I know a lot of singers and people who have certain talents are discovered on YouTube. The fourth one is personal growth. I don't know of anything that you could do on a regular basis that you're not going to become better at, and I think that when you have a YouTube channel, you learn how to express yourself. You just get better and better and better. And the other thing is that when you go out there and try to find content for your channel, like I always recommend that people post 1 video a day. And the way that you can come up with content is you can go to other YouTube channels in your niche, sort their videos by most popular, and look at the top 10 videos. You're not going to copy them, but it'll give you ideas. And then when you watch other people's videos, you learn something, and then you go out there and you teach it. And you're going to just become better and better and better and learn more and more and more and have a lot of personal growth. The last one is my favorite, is to make money. And of course, there's Google AdSense. When you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you start to make money from Google AdSense. And that's just where the ad plays at the beginning of your video. And I am almost to that on my channel. I'm 96% of the way there. Probably by the end of the month, I will be able to do that. And I know in the past I've had Google AdSense, but that was way back when you didn't have these criteria for 100 or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I'll tell you some inspiration to just the Google AdSense part of it. I know a YouTuber, he's almost, I think he's a little over 300,000 subscribers. He has a full-time job. He posts a video every day, and his Google AdSense revenue is $10,000 a month. And you think, oh, that's a lot of work to do a video a day, but would you do a video a day for even 2-3 years if it meant that you were going to get $10,000 a month? And there's another YouTuber, he's at almost 100,000 subscribers, and he makes $5,000 a month. So that's just money coming in without having to do the work. Of course, you do the work initially, but the other part of that is if you're a network marketer, you're an affiliate marketer, you can have in the description of your video a link to your lead capture page. You can build an email list and you can make sales that way. That's how I make, like I said, 90% of my sales. So those are my top 5 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel in 2019. And I want to show you where I learned everything that I've learned as far as ranking my videos and to be able to make the sales that I'm having. Like this weekend, I had a $2,000 day, and that is from YouTube marketing. It's with Josh Elder. I joined his inner circle last summer, and I went through his YouTube training, free YouTube traffic here. He's got everything as far as how to identify your ideal customer, types of channels, how to do keyword research, how to do on-page, off-page optimization, ranking factors, backlinks, all that kind of information on how to get your videos ranked, how to get your content seen. So that's what I have followed to have these kind of results. And then he also has recently added affiliate campaigns, how to create affiliate campaigns that sell. And in here, these first 4 videos are exactly how Josh was able to get to $10,000 per month. And that's by using low-hanging fruit and doing the right keyword research and getting in front of people who are looking for what you have to offer, starting a review channel. That kind of content is really effective if you're in the make money online niche. And then recently, he just started the 0 to 10K challenge, and in here he shows you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel from the very beginning, how to build your brand, how to put in your keywords to your channel. And then what I believe to be even more important is to condition your mind for wealth, how to set goals. And he has you listen to the Born Rich seminar 30 minutes a day, and determining your brand name, your mission statement, your pillars of what kind of content you're going to put on your channel. So this is something that for me has been life-changing and has allowed me to make a lot of money on YouTube. So if you'd like to learn more about this, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. You can partner with me. I'd love to help you start a YouTube channel, make some money in 2019. So if you want to do that, again, go ahead and click the first link in the description below this video. With that being said, this is Karen Mayer signing off. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.